Occasionally, you may find that a problem is specific to a certain version of Windows, so it's helpful to be able to know what version of Windows you're actually running, particularly if you're trying to find help online and you find a description of a problem or a fix that pertains to one specific version or one specific build number. So let's take a look at how to find your Windows version and build number. The easiest way to do it is to click on the Start button and go to Settings. Then go to System and then click on About. And this will provide you a nice summary of your PC. For example, you can see the device name, the processor, how much memory is installed, the system type, the pen touch. But then if you go down just a little bit, you'll find this Windows specification section, and here you can see the edition. We're running Windows 10 Pro in this case, the version 21H1 in this case, when that version was installed, followed by the OS build number and the experience. So this screen provides you with a lot of really helpful information that can help you to narrow down whether or not a particular fix is appropriate for your individual system.